Hi students, this is a little video I made to answer a question that came up in class. The question here is it a noun or a verb? Well, sometimes it's both. Is it a noun or a verb? Sometimes it's both. In English, some words can be nouns or verbs, and when we use them, often the meaning is the same, but sometimes it's different. Let's look at a few examples. Exercise. Exercise can be a noun or a verb. The meaning is the same. For example, I like exercise. Here, exercise is a noun. It's a thing. I like to exercise. Here, exercise is a verb. It's an action. We use to because we cannot put two verbs together. So that's our infinitive. We can also use a gerund. I like exercising. I like exercise and I like to exercise. Both have the same meaning. Work. Work can be a noun or a verb. The meaning is similar. I don't like work. Here, work is a noun. It's a thing. I don't like to work. Here, work is a verb. We're talking about the action. We use the infinitive. I don't like work and I don't like to work have similar meanings. Party. Party can be a noun or a verb. The meaning is a little different, and also we use them differently. As a noun, a party is a place where people eat, drink, and celebrate, like a birthday party. The noun party is also a count noun. It has a singular and a plural. When we use count nouns to talk about things in general, such as things I like or don't like, we use the plural. So we say, I like parties. We use the plural because it's a count noun and we're talking about all parties. We don't say, I like party or I like a party. The verb party means to go out, to dance, drink, and sometimes it means doing drugs. We use the infinitive to party after the verb like. I like to party. We can also use a gerund, but it's less common. I like partying. I like parties and I like to party have different meanings, and the noun is in the plural form. So these two are very different. In summary, there are not many words that are nouns and verbs, so you don't have to worry about this too much. With exercise and work, the meaning is the same, so you can't really make a mistake. The verb party is probably new for you, but I don't think you'll use it much. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.